Greetings, traders. Big trouble out there in the markets today. And as you see, the Dow down 3%, almost 3.5%. NASDAQ down 3.7%. S&P down 3.5%. Russell's down almost a full 4%. VIX spiking up to 53, up over 7%. Major fear in the markets. Gang, we've been focusing on this for some time. We closed under 750 today. That is a major problem that we're having and that we're enduring at this very moment. Let's talk this through. These levels right here was 2002, 2003, but these two, now we're talking about these two red lines right there. Then we found support right here. These two red lines right here was our support also in 2002 area, and that was our lows in 2002 right here. I thought with this hammer that we had a much better chance of rallying north than dropping, but with all the news hitting, with the government threatening to take, government control over many of these larger banks that we have, has freaked everybody out. Today we get a major sell-off. Boom, 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 boom. This red line that you see is our November lows. Here's our November lows. That's 750 area. We cracked through there. If you'd see the volume that came in, we cracked 750. It was notable. It cracked 750, a little short rally, hitting 750. Well, let me show it to you. A 5-minute chart. See the 5-minute chart? See 750 right there? We cracked through. Boom. Rallied back, hit our head at 750, and then continued on down. No end-of-day rally. Nothing of the sort. We just crashed and kept going down. I drew a secondary line here. That's the low, and you can see the low here. And that low for this candlestick, you can see it right here, 741. 741 is the low of this candlestick. The low of today's candlestick was 742, and you can see that right here, 742. That's the low. If we crack below this November low, there's no other support. The only support I would see here is at 725, where this trend line happens to be, right here. Other than that, I'm a full bear. The only thing that's going to save us at this moment is if this November low holds. Maybe we come down a little bit, touch this line, this trend line, rally back, hammer out, and then finally get a run. Listen, we're overextended to the downside. This is roughly 9 candles down. 9. And with that said, we are due for a bounce. It's hard to load up short here after such an extended down leg. I would much rather see a little pullback to some of these levels, maybe that level right there, maybe this level, and then short this thing. But listen, this is what's really weird today. The trend, TRIN, stayed under 1. That's bullish. It stayed under 1 all day long. All day long. Bullish, bullish, bullish. The trend. And go to investopedia.com if you need to know what the trend is. But it talks about its advancers to decliners over the volume flowing into advancers to decliners. The volume coming into advancers was significantly higher than that flowing into decliners. And also, right here, this is the put-call ratio that Matador has been talking about. He talks about the trend quite a bit also. Anything over 1, bearish. Anything under 1, bullish. We're bullish right here. We stayed under 1 all day long. Look at this. So what's weird is the markets just crashed and burned even in the face with all this. Not all indicators were bullish because our VIX just crashed and burned also. The fear indicator just spiked, if you will, and that just shows blood in the streets and the fear that's out there. So this is what I'm telling everybody right now. At the very best, just be sitting on your hands right now. You can go bearish right here and hope for some more extension to the down leg. I'm just telling you that would be risky. You're at November lows. We're finding some support right here. We closed there. Will we find significant support here? Hard telling. We could just cut through it and just continue to burn. If so, there's going to be some opportunities to go short. Sitting on your hands isn't a bad thing, but being long right now, you better be hedged. Being long is not the smart thing. I'm telling you right now, guys, I had some longs going here. I took off my hedges too early today. So I've sit through some pain on the long side here. And I'm going to be looking to unload any of those on any weakness. I'll be looking to load up on a lot more hedges than I'm in right now. And I'll be net big time to the bear side if we start crashing down on volume. But here's what we did not see today. We did not see significant volume on the sell side, and we didn't see a trend TRIN go into bearish territory, and the put call ratio was bullish. So keep all those market internals in place. Watch that price action and look at volume. Let volume confirm price action, and that will tell you where we're at in the markets. But very volatile times. We're seeing things today that makes us all, I don't care how long you've been trading, what we're seeing in the markets right now makes everybody want to scratch their head and say, I mean, it is crazy what we're seeing right now. Nothing seems to be lining up. Nothing is textbook. Everything seems to be just chaotic and very volatile out there. So anyway, let's see if we have some great bearish or bullish opportunities coming before us, because I think we're at a point where we're going to see either a big bull run or a big bear run. We're at that crucial area right now. So pay special attention to the morning edition with Breakout Trader, the noon edition with Matador, and mine in the evening. You have to keep your finger on the pulse of these markets right now to know what's going on. Over and out. Until next time, happy trading to you. Be safe out there in the markets.